Hello and welcome to the DIY session on pre-ride inspection of electricals. Out on a long ride, getting stranded due to an electrical failure is really frustrating, and you can avoid this by thoroughly checking the electrical components of your motorcycle. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a nose plier and a screwdriver. Now let's start by inspecting the electrical starter and engine kill switch for a smooth start and stop operation. Insert the key into ignition and turn on the instrument cluster to see if all the readouts are showing prompt information. Now turn the engine kill switch on and press starter button to power the motorcycle. The switch should move smoothly. Keep the motorcycle running to check idling stability. Once you are satisfied, move on to check the lamps and the control switches. Turn on the headlamp. Check the beam direction by alternating the switch on your left hand. They should change seamlessly. If you need to modify the beam direction, locate the screw under the headlamp and adjust it with a screwdriver to achieve the required beam direction. Turn on the indicator switch on the left side switchgear and check if both the front and the rear indicator lights are flashing when an indication is given using the indicator switch. Now press the rear brake to check if the tail lamp is working. Press the horn button to check if it is working fine. The sound should be loud and clear. Kill the engine switch and take out the key from the ignition lock. Now open the right hand side panel with the key and gently pull it out from the lug and place it safely on a clean and soft cloth to avoid the scratches. Open the fuse box gently. The box has both operational and spare fuses in it. Using the nose plier, gently pull out all the fuses one by one for detailed inspection. Look for faulty fuse that has a broken wire. If you find one, replace it with a spare fuse available in the fuse box. Ensure it fits properly. Now put them back in the slots using your fingers and close the fuse box and refit the right side panel firmly and lock it. It is recommended that you visit the Benelli service center near you to restore the consumed spare fuse. You're all set for a long ride. Keep roaring.